This is our new lesson on Unit 7 from English Plus One book about past simple. I hope you're having a great time of the day, and I'm going to teach you today some vocabulary on spending weekend or doing things during your free time. As you remember, this unit is about sports, so this will be more about free time activities about sports. So let's go. The first one is have a barbecue. So have a barbecue, and in the past you can say had a barbecue. And read a book. In the past, read is a irregular verb, so you can say I read a book yesterday. The writing doesn't change, but the pronunciation is different. So you say I read a book every day, but when you say yesterday or last weekend, you say I read a book last weekend. Watch a DVD. Watch is regular, so you will say, in the past you will say watched a DVD. Go to a football match. Go is irregular, so you will say went to a football match. Do homework. This is something that most of the students don't like, especially when the homework is difficult or when they don't understand the lesson. In the past it will be did homework. Go shopping with friends. Go shopping. So go is the main verb of the phrase, so you will say went shopping in the past. Go to a theme park. Again, go will be in the past, and you will say I went to a theme park yesterday or last weekend. Have a party. In the past it will be had a party. I had a party and with friends on my birthday. Go to a museum. Yeah, some of you might like museums, so you can say I went to a museum at the weekend when you talk about past. Watch TV. I think now most of the time people are watching TV at home, so or reading books. So you can, if your English teacher asks you what did you do yesterday, you can say I watched TV. Watch is regular, so you will add ed to the verb. I watched TV. All right, and these are the questions, and we will talk about how to answer these two questions in the past. How was your weekend? And was it good? As a teacher might ask. And you can say, it was brilliant. Yeah, it was fantastic. It was okay. Not really. It's more negative, you see. It was boring. It was not interesting. And it was terrible, you can say. And when the teacher asks you, what did you do? You can say, I watched TV. I went to a museum. I had a party with friends. I went to a theme park. I went shopping with friends. I did my homework. It was very difficult. I went to a football match. I watched a DVD about Ratatouille. All right. I read a book. I had a barbecue with my family in the garden. Yes, this is how you can answer these two questions. And as for your homework, words from this unit. And that's basically it. Have a great time of the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the new upcoming videos.